Look, in my country is like this. You need to accept when you are the coach of national team of Morocco. Every result you have a critics. Is true. I do my best for my country every time. Maybe I do a mistake sometimes because every coach he do a mistake in his life and is like this. Me, I'm stay focused with my team is what is important. I fight for my country and the critic every time. What I say to my player, I can fight about this. What is important is what he do in the pitch. When he wins the game, he helped me a lot because when you have only 4 defeats in 3 years and a half and you make Morocco in semi-final in the World Cup and semi-final in the AFCON, normally nobody can speak. But in Morocco, it's different. You win and he spoke. It's like this. You need to accept and to work a lot and to accept this. And we hope the next coach, inshallah, in Morocco, he do more of what I do.